Hydrangeas are garden royalty, big, bold, and beautiful. But one wrong cut, and you could lose an entire season of blooms. This is Master Gardener Steve from the Celtic Farm. Let's go ahead and break down exactly when, where, and how to prune, deadhead, and cut your hydrangeas without the guesswork. There are two kinds of hydrangeas when it comes to pruning. Those that bloom on old wood, like Bigleaf, Oakleaf, and Climbing, and those that bloom on new wood, like smooth and Panicle hydrangeas. Get this part right and you're halfway there. In fact, there's a link to our video on the types of hydrangeas if you're unsure. For old wood hydrangeas, prune right after they bloom. Never in fall or spring. You'll cut off next year's flowers. Trim just above a healthy set of leaves or outward facing bud, and each year remove about 1/3 of the oldest stems at the base. For new wood types like smooth or Panicle, prune them hard in late winter or early spring. These bloom on fresh growth, so cut them back to about 1 foot or 2 from the ground. Deadheading keeps your shrubs looking fresh. Follow the spent bloom down to the first pair of healthy leaves and snip just above. This doesn't force new blooms on old wood types, but it does redirect energy into growth and keeps your garden tidy. Want hydrangeas for a vase or dried bouquet? Cut mature blooms early in the morning when they're hydrated. Make your cut above a set of leaves at 45-degree angle and place them right into the water. To dry, wait until they feel papery, then hang them upside down in a cool, dark spot. Always prune with sharp, clean tools. And remember, timing depends on the type of flower. Cut right, and your hydrangeas will reward you with gorgeous blooms year after year. Want more pruning and gardening tips? Check out our full guides on different types of hydrangeas and flowers, linked right here. And don't forget to subscribe for more Master Gardener advice from the ground up.